a workbook, math workbook, pencil, and for safer side, you just keep eraser with you. Okay, get ready with all these things. Right? Okay. So let us start. Before starting the workbook and textbook work, I wanted to recall what have we learned till now. Okay, what are all the things that we learned? That I just wanted to recall. What do you mean by recall? Revision. Okay, once we are going to recall everything. Okay, children? Right. So let us start. First, in solid shape, we learned flat shapes. Flat shapes. So by seeing these pictures itself, you comes to know what are all these shapes are. Now it's your turn. Come on, give me the first picture. What is the shape? Square, exactly. Very good. It's your time. Come on, type it in the chat box. Now what is the second shape? We can call it as rectangle. Exactly, rectangle. What is the third one? What is the third one? Triangle. Exactly. Triangle. What is the fourth shape? Call it as circle. Wow, very nice. Circle. Superb. Now what we are going to do? We are going to see two important words. What we have learned in this flat shapes. Sides and corners. Exactly, sides and corners. So look at the first square shape. Tell me how many sides and how many corners. Yes, 4 sides and 4 corners. Rectangle. 4 sides and 4 corners. Then what is the difference between square and rectangle? Square has equal sides, but rectangle has the opposite sides alone equal. Okay, 2 long and 2 short sides the rectangle has. Okay, right. Now how many corners and how many sides for triangle? Exactly 3. Try, the name itself tells us 3 sides and 3 corners. Exactly. And children, I wanted to know whether circle has corners and circle has sides. Yes, no sides and no corners. Yes, 0 sides and 0 corners for circle. Very good. Then move to the next one. This is all about flat shapes. Now here comes solid shapes. Solid shapes. 3D shapes. Okay, flat shapes are called two-dimensional shape, and solid shapes are called three-dimensional shapes. Now look at the first picture. Tell me, cuboid. Exactly. The next picture, cube. Very good. And the next one is cylinder. Exactly. And the red color. Look at that, red color. Sphere. Exactly. And the final, the last one, cone. Very good. Now what we are going to see? We are going to see 3 different and important words in this solid 3D
Sorry,
shapes.
Vani ma'am. The room is locked. Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I will release, ma'am. Wait, ma'am.
Thank you. Sorry, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Now here we are going to see 3 important, yes, okay. Here we are going to see 3 important words in 3D shapes. Listen carefully, children, because we are recalling now. What we are doing? We are revisiting now. Okay. So, faces, edges, and corner. So these are the three important words that you have to keep it in your mind while it comes to 3D shapes. That is solid shapes. Clear? So let us start. Cube has how many faces, how many edges, and how many corners? Yes, exactly. 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners. Okay, children? Right. Now, next. Cuboid. Move to cuboid. How many faces? How many edges? How many corners it has? Come on, children, come on. Look at the picture also. You can give me the answers. Yes, eyes on the screen. I have given you answers here. Yes, 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners. Very nice. Then comes to cylinder. Then comes to cylinder. Look at the cylinder. 3 faces, 2 curved edges, and 0 corners. I'll repeat. Cylinder has 3 faces, 2 curved edges, and 0 corners. Now move to the next shape. Cone. Cone. How many faces it has? Exactly, 2 faces, 1 curved edge, and 1 corner. Clear, children? 2 faces. Cone has 2 faces, 1 curved edge, 1 corner. Then move to sphere. 1 curved face, but yes, no edges and no corners for sphere. No edges and no corners for sphere. Okay, children? Right? Okay, you have to keep all these things in your mind. Okay, write it in a sheet of paper and stick it on a wall so that every day if you're going to see that, it will automatically register in your mind. Okay, children? Right. Let us move on. Right. Now, I told you before, as we have discussed, just now we are going to start giving work for your hands. Are you all ready? Come on, take a pencil. Open your textbook, that is reader, Max Reader, page number 93. Page number 93. Get ready. Use data. Use data. What is meant by data? Information. Okay? In this picture, the informations are given. What you're going to do? You're going to name at least 5 objects and their shapes in the above scene. Okay? Above scene in this, it's like picture. Okay? The scene is in the garden. Right? Now it's your turn. I'll also help you, don't worry. Okay? Now you have to look the picture, that is observation. I want you to observe keenly the picture. Okay? Take few minutes, few seconds, observe it and name at least 5 objects. Okay? Right? Are you all ready? Shall we start? Yes. Right, okay. Now first one, for me, I'll tell you, you can write whatever you have observed. That also can be done. Now, as of now, Vani ma'am is going to tell you what I have observed in this. Okay, right? Yes. First thing I observed, ball. Look at the boy. He has white and black ball. Did you notice? Yes, the first one I just noticed that alone because I love ball. Right. Now I'm just going to write ball, B-A-L-L. What I'm going to do? I'm just going to write ball. And what is the shape of it? Sphere. What is the shape of it? Sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. See here. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Now, next one, what I have observed, children? What I have observed, children? Yes, the roller, garden roller for leveling the ground, garden roller. You notice garden roller? Look at here, garden roller. Okay, now tell me the shape of it. What shape it is? Cylinder, exactly. Look at here. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. C-Y, I'll repeat, L-I-N, cylinder, D-E-R, der, cylinder. Okay, right? Now, look at the picture again. Very closely you have to watch. Right? Yes. What is the third picture I could see? Look at the girl there. Look at the girl over there. See here. Where she's sitting. Exactly. She sat on the sitting blocks. Okay. Look at few other blocks also there. Sitting blocks we can call it as, or otherwise seaters. Okay. So now you tell me what shape it is. Blocks, sitting blocks. You just see, look at very closely. You can find out. Cube, exactly, cube. Now look at here. C-U-B-E, C-U-B-E, cube. Clear? Right. So how many? As of now we found 3. First one is sphere. Second one is roller, that is cylinder. And third one, sitting blocks, that is cube. So 3 we found. Now only 2 more are left. So fourth one, I'm just going to see. Okay, cone-shaped bricks. You just look around the flowers, around the flowers. I'll just show it here. See, look at this. Cone-shaped bricks. You know bricks, right? Bricks means it helps to build the building. The construction people will use that bricks to construct the building, to build. Okay, bricks. Right. So cone-shaped bricks. So the name here, it tells us cone-shaped bricks. So I found out, the fourth one also I got. So what is the spelling of it? Cone, C-O-N-E, cone. Right? So the last one, fifth one, I'm just going to search here. Yes, I could see the last one, the swing, the girl, see? Look at the girl. Look at the girl. She is sitting on the wooden plank while she is swinging. She used to sit, we all used to sit on the wooden plank, we will call it as wooden plank. Now just imagine that wooden plank will be in what shape? Cuboid, exactly, cuboid, that wooden plank. Okay, if you get a chance after this lockdown release, no, if you get a chance, you just go to park, you just notice that wooden plank. It will be in cuboid. Cuboid. So what is the spelling? C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Yes, successfully I have completed all the 5 objects. Yes, have you? Have you all completed? Yes? Very nice, no? I just enjoyed this activity, pa. Use data. Yes? How about you, children? I hope everyone would have enjoyed this, right? Okay, those who are doing it, no problem. Take your time. Do it very slowly. Okay, no problem. Okay? Yes. Now let us move on to the next one. In the same textbook itself, children, now all of you listen. You are sticking on to that scene itself, I know. Come back, come back, come back. Yes, later you can do that, no problem. Whoever completed, I'm so happy. At last you can show your textbook to me. I'll see that, okay? No problem. Yes. So the next, in the same textbook itself, 92. Take the previous page, take the previous one before. Now you see, 92. Spot the error. What do you mean by that? Spot the error. The statement which they have given in the textbook, it has error. You have to spot it. You have to find out. Okay? Yes, shall we do it? Spot the error and write the correct statement in the blank space given below. Just, okay? Shall we start? Shall we start, children? Yes. Now you just see, this is very easy. Fast, fast, you can do it. I know my children are very familiar of all these spellings also. Right. This is a cube. They have given this statement. This is a cube. Yes, is it so? Look at the picture. Is it a cube? No, then what? Yes, cuboid. What you have to do? Listen, listen, listen. Before writing, you have to strike out this. Strike out this cube word and write cuboid here. Okay, like this. Clear? Okay, right. The next one. Just a minute. Yes. Now look at the next shape. This is a cuboid they have given. This is a cuboid. Is it so? Look at the picture and tell me, is it a cuboid? No, then what you do? You just strike out this and write cube. Write cube. This is a cube. This is a, that sentence is already was given. You don't worry about that. You just write cube alone in the given blank. Okay? Yes. Next. Move to the next picture. Look at this now. What is the picture? This is a square. They have said wrong. See? This is a square. Is it square, children? No. Very good. Then what it is? Triangle. Exactly. Then strike out, yes, the square word and write triangle in the given blank. Clear? Yes. Now, the next one, the last one. Look at the picture. What it is? Is it a circle? This is a circle. They have said this is a circle. Is it a circle, children? No, we know what it is. Oval. Very nice. Oval. So just strike out this and write the word oval. O-V-A-L. Okay. I'll show you the answers also here. Now see here. This is a cuboid. This is a cube. This is a triangle. And this is an oval. Okay. Oval. Okay. Clear? Yes. I hope everyone have completed this. Yes. Very nice, children. Okay, let us move on to the next one, but this one is available in workbook. So textbook work is over. So close your textbook and open your workbook now. Textbook work is over. Now you just open your workbook. Page number 34. Page number 34. Right? Have you? Yes, these things it is very, very easy again. So fast, I'll tell you, you can do it slowly. Okay, don't worry, don't worry. Ma'am, wait, ma'am, wait, ma'am, wait, ma'am. I can hear all these things. Right, I'm waiting only. You do it. Right. Shall we start? Now here, what do we have to do? Name. See here, name the shape of these objects. What we have to do? Name the shape of these objects. Only we are going to name, that's all. So we are going to write the name of it. Okay. Don't write pencil box. Shape. They are not asking about the object name. They are asking about the shape name. All right. Okay.
Excuse me, one.
Yes.
The slide is blank,
Yes,
ma'am.
All right. 1 minute, ma'am. Now, ma'am, still it is blank.
Still it's blank only, ma'am.
I'll stop sharing and I'll do it again.
Okay, ma'am.
Thanks, ma'am. Ma'am, now, ma'am, Robini, ma'am.
Now it's visible, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes. Right, children. So let us start. So look at the first picture. You just look in your workbook. It will be very clear. So you just see the workbook. Those who don't have the workbook, don't worry, children. I'm here to help you out. Don't worry. You just write it in your rough note also. Right. So the first picture they have given is pencil box. So pencil box. Pencil box means what shape it is? Yes, cuboid. So write CUBOID. Now I'll show you the answer slide. Now look at here. Yes, cuboid. Then what is the second one? Dice. Then what shape it is? Cube. Exactly. So what is the spelling? CUBE. Cube. Very nice. Then look at the next picture. What shape it is? Sphere. Exactly. Yes. PHERE. Sphere. Right? Okay. Now what is the next one? Gift. What is the shape? What shape it is? Cube again. CUBE. Cube. Very good. Then look at the pipe over there. Look at the pipe picture. So what shape it is? Cylinder. 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 Okay. Then move to the next one. Cone. Yes. Cone. What shape it is? Cone. 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 We will call that object also as cone only. Then next. Talcum powder. What shape it is? Cylinder. 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 Yes. Then what shape it is? The last one, ice cream. Cone. 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 Okay? Right. So, don't worry, children. Don't be in hurry to complete. Okay? Do it slowly also later. Okay, fine? Okay, children? Right. Yes. Shall I go to the next slide? Right. Here, it's very easy, children. Now, here you can do right now itself. Okay? Yes. Shall we start this? Count and write. Very simple. What you're going to do? Sorry. You're going to count and write the shapes. Now, look at all these pictures. All these pictures. Look at all these pictures and you're going to count what? Number of spheres. You're going to count what? Number of spheres. Come on, count and tell me how many number of spheres. Come on, come on, come on. It's your turn now. Chat me. Yes? Right. Exactly 4 spheres. Exactly 4 spheres. Very good. Then move to number of cones. Count number of cones. How many cones are there? How many cones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly. So how many cones? 5 cones. Superb. Then next one. Count and tell me how many cuboids are there. How many cuboids are there? Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So how many? 6 cuboids. Very good. You are so faster than me, I think so. Come on, fast. Right. Then count number of cylinders. Count number of cylinders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct? Right. So 7 cylinders. Cylinders are 7. Very good. Then finally count cubes. How many cubes are there? Only one cube, not cubes. Only one cube. Okay? Right. So right. See here. Look at this. Only one cube. So write 1. Clear? Now I'm going to show you the answers. This is how you would have written, I think so, right? Spheres 4, cones 5, cuboid 6, cylinders 7, cubes 1. Yes? Very nice. Those who have done, I'm just going to give you a big star. Very good, children. Very good. Now, very, very easy. This one you are going to do on your own. Matching. Draw a line to match the shape with the object. That's all. Very easy. You have to look at the shape and look at the object and match. Okay? Now see here. Draw a line to match the shape with the objects. I have given you answers. Sphere, first one dice. So cube. Second one, cuboid to pencil box. Cone, here. See that? Yes? Everything over? I know. Yes. Would have completed as of now. Very good. Superb. Stars for you, children. Good. Very good. Yes. Now move to the next one. Draw an object that looks like the shape given below and name it. This alone. Now listen, children. Listen. Okay, you would have completed now. Matching, right? Yes. Now listen. This part alone, okay? This part alone, you just wait. Don't draw now because now Rubini ma'am is going to show you how to draw. So after seeing that video, it will be more easy for you to draw. Okay, now don't draw this. Okay, just hold on this alone. Clear? Yes, now this one is after Rubini ma'am taught, she's going to teach you. So you just wait. Okay, children? Yes. Now move to the next one. Color as directed. Color as directed. For flat shape, we did know the same thing here. So cuboid means red color. Cube means blue color. So find out the sphere and give green color. Find out the cone and give yellow color. Find out the cylinder and give orange color. Already this type of exercise we have done in flat shape also. Correct? So this wouldn't have been difficult for you. Okay? Right. Now this is how the picture will be, right? After you are coloring. Okay? Right. Now I told you, no, Rubini ma'am is waiting with the video. Okay? Yes. Over to Rubini ma'am.
Thank you, Mani ma'am. Yes, children, are you ready for the activity? Yes? Okay, now everyone take your math notebook, any rough notebook, old math notebook, okay? So that we are going to draw the 3D shapes. 3D shapes, okay? Are you all ready for it? Yes, I will be giving 1 minute time. Everyone take math, any old math notebook or rough notebook or your classwork notebook, okay? And along with that, you have to take one ruler, scale, ruler and pencil, okay? Yes, make it fast, children. Did my screen is visible, ma'am?
Yes,
Vani,
ma'am.
ma'am?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, this is your math notebook. Yes, children? Okay. Are you all ready? I hope you all ready with that. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to draw. Okay. Yes. So first write the title of it. First we are going to draw cube. What is the spelling of cube? C-U-B-E. Cube. Okay. First write the title cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. Okay. Now see, I put the dot right where I dotted in the checked S. Yes. Likewise, you also dot. Okay. If you are taking two boxes equal, see, the cube has all the edges are equal in size. Yes. So what you have to do? You have to take the dots. All the sides are equal. Okay. See, I'm just going to draw. See, 1, 2, or if you want, you can take 3 also. Okay, say. So 2. All the sides are 2 check box only. Okay, now draw the line. Draw the line. See? You got the perfect square? Yes. Now dot. Again. Then now in between, see, draw, keep the dot in between the square and the same two blocks all the sides. Now draw that another. Okay, see, another square. Now what you are going to do, you are going to join the edges. See, up to up, left, up. Now down to down, left side, down to down, left corner to right. Likewise this side also. Now what you got? What you got? Cube. Yes, cube. Yes. Is everyone done? First, put the dots and draw first square and then draw the another square which you have to connect with the middle of the first square. Okay, then join the edges. Okay, now we are going to draw the cuboid. Okay, now we are going to show, I am going to show the cuboid video. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. What is the spelling of cuboid? C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Sorry. Okay, yes. Cuboid. Now, see, in cuboid, opposite sides are equal. Only opposite edges are equal. So, what you have to show? Length, or see, one side should be shorter and another side should be longer. Okay. See, I choose the standing line. Vertical line is short and the horizontal line is long. Okay. You can Do on your choice. First, draw the rectangle. Put the dots. I choose 2 blocks. Then 3 blocks on the horizontal. So I'm going to draw this rectangle. Okay. Join the dots. Now we are going to draw another rectangle which starts here. Okay, see the same size only I'm going to draw. Okay, so put the dots. Then now join it. Now join the edges. Okay. Now what you got? Cuboid. Okay. What you got? Cuboid. Okay. First draw the rectangle and draw the another rectangle which begins with middle of the first rectangle and join that corners. Okay, you will get the cuboid. Okay. Yes, we are going to look how to draw next. Cone. Okay. Cone. What is the spelling of cone? C-O-N-E. Cone. Okay. Now, as like that. See. Draw the slanting line. Again, one slanting line. Okay. That's all. Join the 2 corners. Okay. That's all cone. Okay. Shall we see once again? Shall we look once again? C-O-N-E. Cone. Put one dot. Then see. That's all. Cone. Okay. We are going to look now. Cylinder. Okay. Cylinder. What is the spelling of cylinder? C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Okay. So you have to draw 2 vertical lines. Okay. Then join that. That's all. Easy, no? Cylinder and cone. That's all cylinder. Once again, we'll look. First, you have to write the title. Cylinder. Then draw 2 vertical line. Join the edges. Okay, that's all. Okay, now we are going to look sphere. So, sphere alone, children, you can listen now. Okay, later you can draw because you have to look one small. You should have one small size of cap, like water bottle caps, like that. Okay, so that it will be very easy. Here I choose one tape. Okay, so sphere. First you have to write the title. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Then draw the. See how I do. Then just one small, show one small curve. That's enough. Okay, so that it will look like sphere, like ball. Okay. So that's all, children. It's very easy, no? It's very easy to draw.